Hello, second graders. Today for Letterland, we're going to start with a Guess Who game. I have a little bucket right here with a question mark because you're going to guess who the characters are. I'm going to tell you the sound they make, and I want you to tell me the character's name, and I'll let you see if you are correct. Guess who? Ah. Annie Apple says ah. Guess who? B. Just say Bouncy Ben for B. Guess who? Eh. That would be Eddie Elephant. Guess who? Firefighter Fred says, guess who? G. That is Golden Girl. Guess who? I. Impy Ink says I. Guess who? K. That could be two. This is Kicking King that says K. Clever Cat also says K. Guess who? N. Noisy Nick says N. Guess who? Ah. That is Oscar Orange. Good job. Guess who? Peter Puppy. Guess who? Red Robot. Guess who? Sammy Snake. Guess who? That is Talking Tess. Guess who? Uppy Umbrella. Guess who? That is Fix It Max. Guess who? Yellow Yo-Yo Man. Guess who? Zigzag Zebra. Live spelling today, I want you to get out your notebook at home, and I would like for you to write down these words that I call out to you and see if you can spell them correctly in your notebook. So I'm going to throw you a word, and I want you to write the word in your notebook. Ready? First word is fog. I could see the fog outside in the morning. Fog. So please write that down in your notebook, and I'm going to make the word up here for you to check. So fog, Golden Girl. So fog should be spelled F-O-G. Good job. Your next word is kit. Kit. I got a Band-Aid from the first aid kit. Kit. Write down kit in your notebook. Kit starts with a K, then Impy Ink, if sound, then T. Kit. Good job. Your next word is rub. Rub. R-U-B. Write down the word rub in your notebook. Rub is spelled R-U-B. Rub. Good job. Your next word to spell is yes. Write down the word yes. Yes, I know how to spell these words. Yes. Eh. What vowel do you hear in yes? Short E. Eddie Elephant. Very good. You should spell yes, Y-E-S. Your next word is fix. Can fix it, Mike? Fix it, Max? Fix the bike? Fix. If. Fix it, Max in the word. F-I-X. Good job. Your next word is zip. I will zip up my jacket. Zip. I hear the same vowel sound in zip as fix. Both of those words have a short I sound. Zip starts with Z, then I, and then P. Zip. Good job. Your next word is yet. Yet. I have not taken my spelling test yet. Okay, what letter does yet start with? Y. A Y. We have eh. I know the vowel sound for eh. The vowel sound eh is a short E sound. E and t. Talking test. Yet. Good job. Your next word is ran. Ran. I ran as fast as I could on the playground. Ran. N. So you should have the letters R-A-N written down. Good job. And our last word that we're going to write and spell is sip. Right now, sip. I took a sip of water. I. What says I? Short I sound. And Peter Puppy. So S-I-P, spell sip. Awesome job writing and spelling the words with the short vowel sounds. I'm going to read you a story now that has some of those short vowel sounds in it. This story is called Peter Puppy's Vowel Paintings. There are several characters in the story. I'm going to tell who the characters are before I say their part, and there's also a narrator. The narrator says, one day in Letterland, Peter Puppy was thinking about painting some pictures. Peter Puppy said, I love to paint pictures. I really like to paint pictures of all my pals in Letterland. Today, I think I will paint some pictures of my 5 vowel sound friends because they are very important. Soon, Peter Puppy had all 5 short vowels gathered together. They are, and I'm just going to write the letters, but we have Annie Apple, Eddie Elephant, Impy Ink, Oscar Orange, and Uppy Umbrella. Annie Apple had an idea about the pictures that Peter Puppy would paint. The reason we 5 vowels are so important is that just about every word has to have at least one of us in them. So maybe you could paint each of us in a word with some consonant friends. Best idea ever, said Eddie Elephant. Not bad, said Oscar Orange. But what words will we make, said Uppy Umbrella. If we could all be in between the same 2 consonants, that would be interesting, said Impy Ink. At about that time, Harry Hatman and Talking Tess came along. Could they be the 2 consonants that Peter Puppy and the vowels needed to make 5 words? Hello, how are you all? What's happening? Said Harry Hatman. I'm going to paint a picture of each of our 5 short vowels in a word, said Peter Puppy. But we need 2 consonants to help us make the words. That's a terrific idea, said Talking Tess. That's tremendous. That's total teamwork. That's tip-top. We are both consonants, said Harry Hatman, so I hope we can help. Let me hop to the start of the word. Tess, you can be on the end. You vowels can take turns in the middle. And so they made these words. I'm going to write the words down. They're using each of these vowels with the letters H and T. So we have the word hat, pet, hit, hot, and hut. But one of them was not a real word. Can you tell which short vowel in the middle did not make a real word? Which of these words is not a real word? That would be het. All of the other words are real. Hat, hit, hot, and hunt. I have to hurry off now, said Harry Hatman, to hunt for my hen. She has not been home for half a day. But here comes Bouncy Ben. Let's hope he can help. Bouncy Ben, can you help us make some words? Said Eddie Elephant. You bet. I believe I can. Better get started. It may be best if I go first. So along with Bouncy Ben and Talking Tess, the short vowels all tried once again to make 5 real words. So this time we have Bouncy Ben at the beginning. I'm going to write down the words with each vowel sound. These are the words. Let's read them together. We have bat, bet, bit, bought, and but. Yes, but one of the short vowels did not make a real word. Which one is it this time? Which one does not make a real word? That would be bought. You may have heard that word before. It's short for robot, but all of the other words are real by themselves. Too bad, said Talking Tess. We almost made a word with every short vowel, Bouncy Ben. I'm terribly sorry, but I have to take off now. Ta-ta. Here comes Golden Girl, said Uppy Umbrella. She is a consonant, and she likes to make words. Golden Girl, we have been utterly unable to make 5 words with every short vowel and 2 consonants. Maybe you can help us. Good idea. Great idea. Let's get going. So Bouncy Ben lined up first and left the space between himself and Golden Girl. The short vowels took turns making words. This time they made Bouncy Ben and Golden Girl. Okay, let's read the words that they made together. Bag, beg, big, bog, bug. Is bog a word? Yes, a bog is a place with very wet land. Then all of us vowels made real words with Bouncy Ben and Golden Girl. Excellent! Perfect, said Peter Puppy. Now please may I paint a picture of each of you in a real word with these 2 consonant friends? All 5 vowels said yes, 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 yes. And that is just what Peter Puppy did. He painted, I know you can't see this very well, I'll hold it up here. He painted a picture with all of those words. Bag, beg, big, bog, and bug.